Hey, what's going on guys, my name is Jim Fadi. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful fruit card hover effect using Elementor page builder. So initially we can see the cards like this, and we hover over on it. You see the beautiful border has been added with transition effect. Also these big letters colors is changing at the same time. And if you want, you can apply the different colors with different cards like this. I will show you how to do it very easily just by using Elementor page builder. So without further ado, let's now go inside Elementor page builder. So right now we are inside Elementor page builder, and in this tutorial we will be using Elementor flex container. So make sure from your WordPress dashboard, from Elementor settings, let's now go under experiments tab, and from here make sure the flexbox container option is active. Alright, let's now go inside Elementor page builder. So here first I'm clicking on this plus icon and I'm taking that two container structure. First of all, I'm making its height to 100 VH. Here also I'm making the justify content to centered, the align items to centered, and here I'm taking the gap to 20 pixel. Also here I wanna add a gradient background color, so go under style tab. From here I'm selecting the background type to gradient, and here I'm taking the first color to hash F9. It's kinda whitish color, and then from here I'm taking the second color, that would be hash ADCFF8. Alright, now within here we have two inner containers, but first of all I just wanna delete one. So we have now one inner container within this container. Let's select this inner container. First I'm making its width in pixel. Let's make it 300 pixel. And here I'm taking the minimum height to 350 pixel. Then here I'm making the justify content to centered. Now let's go under style tab because I just wanna take its background color to white color like this. And then I wanna add a bit of background shadow. So click here on border, and from here I'm opening the box shadow option, and here I'm just taking the blur value to 40, and here I'm taking spread value to -10. Also I wanna reduce this black color opacity, so from here select the color and I'm just dragging it to 0.2 like this. And then with this inner container I wanna add some padding. So from here let's scroll up, go under advanced tab. From here let's add the padding in percentage, and I'm adding 4% of padding, but here at the bottom I wanna apply 5. So unlink it first, and only at the bottom I'm adding 5% of padding. Alright, now within this card, first of all I wanna add a heading widget. So click on this plus icon, and here I'm dragging the heading element here, and this would be basically the big letter. So here I'm just writing F. Let's set its alignment to centered and go under style tab. First of all I'm changing the text color to hash DE. That's kinda gray color, and from here I just wanna open up the typography. I wanna make it size really big, so here I'm making it 114 pixel, and also font weight I'm making it to 700. Then I wanna adjust its position by adding some negative margin. So go under advanced tab. From here unlink the margin. Only at the left side I'm adding -70 pixel of margin, or we can add more, maybe -77 like this. And then underneath this big letter I wanna add the image. So click on the Rubik's Cube icon. From here I'm dragging the image underneath here, and let's select the image first. So for the fruits I'm selecting this grapes image. Click on insert media, and as you see on the preview I wanna place it at this place. So to adjust its placement I'm using the margin. So go under advanced tab. From here let's unlink the margin. At the top let's add -100, or we can increase it more like 110. Then at the left let's add 50 pixel of margin, or we can reduce it more like 47. At this moment actually I wanna open up the navigator so you won't get confused. So just right click here and open the navigator. So here the heading is first, then we have got the image element. Now underneath this image I wanna take another heading. Now let's drag this heading underneath here. Actually that's the reason I have opened up the navigator, because I wanna place this heading underneath this image here. Alright, now with this text I just wanted to say fruits. Let's make the alignment to centered. Now go under style tab. From here I just wanna change its color to hash 222222. It's kinda black color, and from the typography I'm making its size to 24 pixel and font weight to 700. And here at the top I wanna reduce the space in between. For that reason, go under advanced tab, unlink the margin. At the top I'm adding negative 15 pixel of margin. Now underneath this heading, from here I'm just dragging the text editor widget here, and then here I'm pasting some dummy text. Go under style tab because I wanna set its alignment to centered. And similar like this heading, I wanna adjust their position just under going advanced tab, unlink the margin. Here at the top I'm adding negative 5 pixel, and at the bottom here I'm adding negative 10. Alright, now underneath this text I wanna add a button widget from here like this, and let's just make its alignment to centered. So we are done with our layout. Now we will be adding the beautiful hover effect. But before that, I want to add a class name with this big letter. So that's basically the first heading from navigator. Now go under its advanced tab, and here within CSS classes, I'm adding the class name that would be big dash title. Make sure you have added the same class name big dash title, otherwise some portion of this animation won't work. Alright, let's now select this inner container. From under its advanced tab, let's scroll down and open up the custom CSS field. By the way, custom CSS is only available on Elementor Pro. I will put my Elementor Pro affiliate link in the description. If you purchase Elementor Pro through my affiliate link, you don't have to pay any extra, but I will get a little credit for that. That will help me to continue this YouTube channel and make more interesting tutorials like this. Now within this field, I will be adding a bit of custom CSS. So to get the CSS snippet, you can just go to jimfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description. From this page, if you scroll down a bit, you see it says fruit card hover CSS. Let's just copy this whole CSS snippet from here. Let's copy it, go inside Elementor and paste the CSS snippet within here. Now if I minimize the bar and have a look, initially the card is looking like it, and when you hover over on it, we can see this beautiful border with a beautiful transition effect. Also, the big text or letter color is also changing at the same time. I will show you very shortly how you can change this border color or this letter color. Also, if you want, you can adjust this border width. But before that, let's open up. I just want to duplicate these cards because first of all, I just want to check how it's looking on other devices. I just want to check the responsiveness. Okay, so first of all, let's just duplicate it and duplicate it one more time. And for the second one, click here. First, I'm selecting the big heading, and here instead of F, I'm just writing here V because V stands for vegetable. And here I'm selecting the second heading, and I want it to say vegetables. Also, let's change this image from here. For the vegetable, I'm adding vegetable image here, and with the third one, let's select it. First, the big heading, here I'm just writing N, and the second heading, here I just want it to say nuts. Then let's select the image, and from here I'm selecting the nuts image. So here I'm selecting this almond. From here, click on insert media. Alright, now we can close the navigator, and to check its responsiveness, from here let's click on the responsive mode icon. Here on the desktop it's already looking great. If I now go to the tablet device, you see on the tablet device it's also looking great. And if I now go to the mobile device, on the mobile device it's also looking great. So it's automatically responsive, we don't need to do anything. So let's close the responsive bar from top. And now I want to show you, if you want, how you can change these border colors or border size or the text size. Like here, if I hover over here, we can see the border and text color is kind of purple. But if I want to change that on this vegetable card, you can do that from here. Just click on this inner container. From under its advanced tab, open the custom CSS field. Now have a look with these three lines. You don't need to do anything underneath here. So just focus on these three lines of CSS. These are basically CSS variables. So first variable is B color. So B color stands for border color. Then here's the B size. The B size stands for border size. And here this T color stands for this text color. So let's say with the second color, you wanna change this border color to red, for example. So here I'm removing this hex code color and here I'm just writing red. Now have a look. If I hover over on this second card, the border color is becoming red. Then if you think you wanna increase the border size, you can do that from here. So B size, instead of 8 pixel, if I make it 18 pixel, now have a look. When I hover over here, the border color, the border size is becoming 18 pixel, but I don't want that. I'm just going back to 8 pixel. And then here the text color, actually I have made it dynamic. So the color we will be using on the B color here, that will automatically become the text color. Like here the border color is red, the text color is also becoming red. But if you don't want that, if you want a custom color for this text, you can do that from this place. So instead of this, you can write any other color. For example, here I'm writing blue. So now if I hover over on the second card, you see the border color is now red and the text color is now blue. And if you want the same color on the border and this text, then instead of this blue, I'm just going back to the previous dynamic color code. And also instead of red, here I'm adding hash 76A713. So here, if I hover over here, you see it's kind of greenish color, and this text is also getting the color from this dynamic CSS code. Alright, now if I want to change this third card's border and text color, just select the third card, the third container. From under its advanced tab, open the custom CSS field, and in the same way, let's just replace this color with other color code. That's hash C88149. It's kind of brown color. So if I now hover over here, you see it's becoming brown color, both this border and the text. And finally, when you are happy with your work, don't forget to click on this green update button to save your work. I hope you have learned something new today. If you like it, please give this video a big thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, press on that notification bell icon to get notified before anyone whenever I will upload a new video on this YouTube channel. Also, if you want me to help you on your WordPress project or Elementor project, then you can contact me through my website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. I will try my best to help you personally. Once again, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.